Hello everybody, today I will be showing you the after video of my Numatic NVH180-2 and all of the other tools I have for it. Let's get into it. Yes, hello everybody, I will just get it now, here it is. Or I should say he. Yeah, the Numatic NVH180. Now, first thing to talk about. Well, I'll show you, well, we'll just have him sat there, and I'll show you the tools I have for him. So let me just grab them. Okay, we have everything for it right here. Right here. So, let's talk through it. We have the original dusting brush, which came up okay. It's still a little bit grubby in there. As you can see, I did scrub at it. Doesn't smell anymore though. And just generally okay. I've never used one of these commercial brushes. I'll have to get back to you on how it works and how it feels, but to me it just feels a little cheap. On the cheap. Next we have the original Ben 10, the lightweight aluminium one. Which washed up a treat. As you can see, some of the paint has started to come off just in there, but that is just minor detail. We have the original hose, which I washed by hand twice, shoved it in the washing machine, and it still smells a little bit. But it's alright. I'll probably try and wash it again at some point. Now, I had to buy these, and I was lucky to find them actually. 2 aluminium extension tubes. They are a little scuffed, as you can see, but not bad in any other way. We have I think, wrong style of floor head. I think these came with the style that came with my James. I think that's correct, I'm not sure. But it's not seen much use, this one. Usually those are trashed, but that's really good actually. Or if it's just been used on carpet. The top bit seems a bit more trashed, but it's a floor head. Okay. Alright, I think we should start talking about the machine itself. The base, yeah, came to quite well, actually, I would say. Apart from when I tried to get the wheels off, I did damage it a little. Whoops. But that's minor detail. Yeah, it all looks rather clean. No more big horrible paint mark there. The rating sticker now shines again. Cable is very clean. If we just take the cable out, if you remember back to the other video, there was some horrible bits in there and it stank. Doesn't smell anymore. Top is very smart. This switch here I'm very pleased with. It feels brand new. Amazing. I'm pleased. So yeah, that's that really. The cable's pretty good. Nothing bad about it, doesn't smell. Generally pretty darn good. I'm pleased with it, actually. Now I've just got to use it in the house. Hopefully it didn't stink. So we'll plug it in now, shall we? So, doesn't it run well? Yes. That original motor cleaned up a treat, folks. It sounds spot on now, doesn't it? Yeah, well, it's because it's had to have a replacement motor. If you see or pay attention to my channel icon, my pink one, with the googly eyes, that machine has been broken down for spares, and the motor from that is in this. If you remember back to the old video, it sounded pretty horrendous. If you didn't see that, go and watch it. Yeah, it didn't sound in the best of health. But yeah, I cracked the old motor apart fairly far, but then I broke something and realised, bin it, I've got a free motor anyway. What's the point of trying to get the old one working if it's broken internally? So yeah, that. But other than that, it's pretty good. And it can actually do some vacuuming now without stinking everything down. One tube, two tubes, three tubes, floor head. See how it likes this. Yeah, so it's alright. It's alright. I did have the suction release valve open on it because there was no way I would be able to do it with it all shut. These straight suction heads, man, they're just not designed for this carpet, are they? Anyway, this Numatic will be staying with me, as it is quite nice just to have a grey one. If I do end up getting a 370 or a 200, I'll let you know, and might sell this one, or just keep the other one, and keep both of them. Yeah, I didn't show the inside, did I? Under there is pretty spotless. There's just a few minor bits. I put that in there just to make it smell a bit nicer. The filter of the other one still stinks, so I haven't done much with it. And then the bag, we just picked up some sand. A 2004 machine, this, with a 2011 motor in it. So all the parts are still quite old though, right? Yeah. So that's the end of this little after video. I hope you have enjoyed. This has been the after video of the Numatic NVH180-2 by Numatic Enthusiast. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you did not enjoy the video, please give it a dislike and let me know why. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.